In our channel name as Last Minute Passing. I am Ganaraj Kutpalivar. Welcome you all in our channel. Previously we see the numerical on a milling and now we see the second numerical on a milling. The operations and the commands we have to use in our software, all the same, only the geometry is different for that. And depending on our geometry and depending on our shape, the various operations that will be changed. Just like for drilling, for drilling the holes, the drilling operation is to be performed, and for the giving that shape for that, here we have to perform the countering operation. In that particular application, there is no necessity of performing the bucketing operation. But as per the exam point of view, there is a performance of requirement of the 5 operations, so we have to perform it very well. So there is no necessity to read this all the data. They are only the necessity for these are the dimensions and the raw material size. So a previous problem they mentioned that the depth of cutoff drill and depth of cut sorry there they mentioned that depth of drill and depth of pocket. But in that problem they directly mention you that throughout, okay, throw drill and throw counter. Okay, so there is no any fact that what is the depth of cut of the drilling and depth of cut for counter. So first thing it is very important for drawing it or before opening that software, you must have to calculate the coordinates required for drawing this geometry. Just for these circles, the coordinates are required. For drawing this tilt operations, these also the coordinates are required, and for drawing this all. So I've already drawn that coordinates. If you have the doubts about that coordinates, then you have to comment on the comment box. Then we will do something for that. Just we move towards our problem. So first of all, I draw one rectangle. It's center rectangle, so I choose a center. That's why I say that divide that whole the object in 4 quadrants. It's like all the quadrants positive. In second quadrant negative x and positive y. In the third quadrant all the positives, and in the fourth quadrant all negative y and positive x. Okay. As per the problem, the horizontal dimension for the rectangle is 100 and the vertical dimensions are 100. And they haven't mentioned about the radius and all, so we can't do anything. Just click and it is not visible, so just right click and say fit. It will get visible. Now our task is to already calculate the coordinates, so draw the points. So for one point I calculate the coordinates -50 and -10. Okay, sorry for that, it's not -10, point and position, so it's -50 and +10, so it gets an upper side. Okay, and the second one is 10 and -50. Okay, third point I require for drawing is tilt line, 10 and 50. For this I need a point 50 and 30. This is a calculator on also. That point, it's very simple task for me. For here I need a point what x50 y -50, because after plotting these points I had to remove these of rectangle. Okay, so just escape it. There is no necessity of these other. Okay, just delete it. Just click and delete it. Okay, just click and delete it. Sorry for that. Okay. Now take one point also. Just shift. What's the coordinates of that points? -50x and capital. These are the coordinates. Okay. the next gap is deleted now. There is no necessity of that. Okay. Just take one line and join this all. Sorry for that. We remember that all the coordinates must be in a closed chain. There is one requirement for that. Okay. Okay. Then what need I have to draw it? Then I have to draw the rectangle from this corner. Okay, because I have to draw a rectangle here, 20 by 20 rectangle. It is not a complicated numerical, so it's good come in exam also. See the chances of okay, just delete it. Just click it. Scrap it. Okay. Okay. Now this is straight one, so I choose a straight. Okay. Then take a one line and draw it. Okay. Now you have about 50% of object is created and go and create. Take a arc in points. Okay. Be careful about that. Your whole chain must be closed. If it not get closed, they create some problems during operation. So it must be closed. Okay, it's look like the rectangle circle. If it is not looking like a circle or it is look like a dome shape, then there is no necessity for drawing it. So please careful about that. Your geometry get created. Okay, as per our question. Then here for drawing that circles are required. Can I get a position for that? 10, 25. One circle is get created. X is 25 and 25. One circle is get created. For another triangle, there is a coordinate. Sorry for that. Just escape it. Just create point position. For that also less than and minus 13. It's coordinates. Okay. And for next one, it is what's it? 25 and minus 13. All the coordinates will get created here. Okay. Now then there is necessity to mention which type of machine you have to be used. You used a mill and default. Go into properties and go in stock setup. And solid. Say solid. It's not a wireframe operation, it's a solid operation. It is a material removing operation. So must be say solid. Give the y dimension is 100 as per geometry. They have mentioned that in a stock setup they have to use the 120 and 100. But the problem is that as during operation we need to select the last two. It's create a problem in facing and for external also. They mentioned like 5 but plus tolerances we take 7.5. 2.5 it takes solid tolerances and Z is 2.5 is tolerances for that. Okay. Just click on OK. The stock is get ready. Now first operation is required is facing. So go into path, say face, just click on OK. Then select the thing. This is very important procedure for any operation chain. And remember that your chain must be closed. If it is not get closed, it is create a problem. Okay. Now go in a facing, select the tool. Which type of tool I have to select? Face tool. Then for that operation. So it gets selected for that and then I have to use a holder. Any battery holder I have to choose. There is no necessity to choose this type of particular holder. In cut parameters I said zigzag because it's looking for that. It's looking very good. There is neither nothing. Okay, your first operation is facing. Okay, we all under animation we say later because we already see how that's work and all, and it's okay. Then for the second operation is country because for required this. Now in our exam there is requirement of 5 operation. So The first operation is a fencing, another is a countering, third is a drilling, and a one drill. It is four operation. We find a five operation. What we do that? We do first rough country and then go for finished country. So first go for a neutral path, say counter, select the chain, okay, select the chain and then say counter, go in tool, say flat end. For countering, you know that flat element is used. So for rough country, which I take a 40 diameter. For rough, you take anyone, but for finishing, you need a very small diameter. It's finishing operation and not any material removing operation. For the top cut, linking parameter. So I take a minus 10. Remember that your operation, your depth of cut must be in minus. It is in first, then your tool must be move in air. Okay. Then see, here materials get removed here. See, so why I choose that countering operation for removing that operation. After that, I go into toolpath, say another countering, and now I do the finish countering. For that also, I select that chain. Just click on OK, and see. Wait a minute for that, and then go in tool and in dot tool, I select the boolean mill. And the dimension of that boolean mill must be 15. Okay. I go and depth of cut is get on the linking parameter is minus 10. Okay. Now it's over. You finishing operation. Now you see all the operations. See, your next operation is not performed very well. What happened? Go just in parameters. Go in the cut parameter and say right. Now see your operations get performed. Click on all operations. See how the finish is. It's looking very well. Okay. Now the here is some materials to be removed. Okay. Now we do drilling operation for removing that material. Go into path. Say drill. Here I choose a center. I take a better center here. Now then drill. I select the central drill tool and I take some diameter is very bigger. Okay, I take diameter is maybe 70. Let's see later is that material is removed or not. If this material is not removed, then we increase the diameter of it. Okay. Because the purpose for that tool is for going cut parameters, link the parameter give the depth of cut. Let's do out. I give the minus 10. Let's click on OK. Maybe now also the tool is not good. Just I go in the parameters. Just I increase the tool diameter. Okay, I take 100. Okay. Now your object is get ready for that. Okay, so okay. Then this is necessary for finishing because it's the only material. See how your operations get powerful. See how the beautifully your object is getting created here. Okay. So these all the options are here. Okay. Now if you want to change the color of that various operation, go this select this operation and change the tool color. Just click here. Now see. Okay. See, it changes the color of various operations. Okay. It is a auxiliary thing, there's no necessity in the exam, but the very important is to be your object is get created intention. Just look this object and look your object. It's almost okay. Now, second evaluation criteria is that your object is get created, then your object is G1 for generating CNC codes for that. Because at the last, after creating that geometry, after creating that operation, then you must feed that data to the CNC machine for the manufacturing operation. So for that, there is necessity of creating the data. So go and just even something name here, your name and your roll numbers and all. Yes. Wait for a minute. Okay. See, your CNC codes get generated. GNM codes and all. Okay. So this is your object. This is your process. This is the way for doing that. Okay. So similarly, any object is get come. Previously, I take one basic. What are the basic operations we have to perform in a CNC? Sorry, in a Mastercam milling, and C1 numerical, and this is second numerical. If you do that three videos and three objects carefully, then any object is get come. Only the necessity to calculate the coordinates and to use the method or to use the various proper tools and all according to that. One thing we forget that we have a drill here. So go in toolpath, just say drill and select the center. Okay, just click on OK. Say drill. This is tool. So central drill is required, but what is the tool diameter? So tool diameter is 10 because I already mentioned that. Already use a 10 or 15. Don't be bothered about that. It's 10 also. Go in holder, check order we are already selected for the cut parameters. It is necessary. And the linking parameters is necessary to the depth of cut. Depth of the depth of that drill. They already mentioned that you have to give the depth throughout. So there is a necessity for that. You then click on OK. They say that. Okay. Now your operation, all operations get performed. Okay. Up to which operation we are not used here? Yes, we are not used here our pocketing operation. Pocketing is required for creating something packet here. If you want to, you can do it. Okay. Now, okay. This is your object. So what are the operations we have performed? We have performed facing, countering. Please remember that the difference between countering and pocketing. Countering is done to remove the outer material, and pocketing is done to remove the interior material. Pocket we have to perform. That's it. And drill. Okay. They say that perform any operation, but our object is get ready in 3 operations. Just extend or just to increase the operations, because for external there is a requirement of 5 operation. And you increase that operation, it's very beneficial for you also and your exam point of view also. So just practice. The practice is most important for that. To practice. If you have any problem, I mention my email ID at bottom scale, and then if you have any problem, then you put some mails to me and comment on the comment box also. Okay. If you have the problem in drawing the coordinates, if you have the problem, then we do it further also. Please comment. Okay. So if you like that video, if you like this step, please comment, like, share and subscribe this video. Please don't forget to subscribe it and press that bell icon to get a notification for our end sem exam also, and for that this exams also. So be subscribe, be connect with us, and be connect with us and be subscribed with us. Okay. And at the last, best of luck for your exam and do it better. So thank you for watching this